Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to walk through the process of changing the battery on your Conga 1090. This task requires some specific tools and attention to detail. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and optionally, a multimeter to check the battery voltage. Ensure you have a replacement battery that is compatible with the Conga 1090. Begin by disconnecting your device from any power source. Safety is paramount, and we don't want any accidental power surges. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, flip the Conga 1090 upside down. You'll notice several screws securing the battery compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a small bowl to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover to access the battery. Take a moment to inspect the interior. Dust and debris can accumulate, so use your soft cloth to clean the area around the battery. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, disconnect the old battery by gently pulling on the connector. If it's stuck, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose, but be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. At this point, if you feel uncomfortable proceeding, just a reminder that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the device. Ensure that it's firmly in place. A loose connection can lead to performance issues. After connecting the new battery, take a moment to check the voltage using your multimeter. This step ensures that the new battery is functioning correctly before closing everything up. Once you're satisfied with the connection, carefully replace the cover and reinsert the screws. Make sure each screw is tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Finally, flip your Conga 1090 back to its upright position, connect it to power, and turn it on. You should see it operating smoothly with the new battery. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, eliminating any surprises. It's always best to consult a professional if you're unsure about any step. And there you have it. Changing the battery on your Conga 1090 is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. With the right tools and some careful steps, you can keep your device running optimally. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.